Peace be upon you. In this video, I will share with you the GPT chat number for WhatsApp. You can add the GPT chat to WhatsApp and use artificial intelligence or the GPT share feature to ask it anything through your WhatsApp. Let's proceed with the explanation with God's blessings. First, my friend, this is my WhatsApp. As you can see, here is the GPT chat. I can use it and ask it about anything. Now, there are two ways to add the GPT chat to WhatsApp. You can add it directly from the link in the first comment, or you can go to link. This is the GPT chat number for WhatsApp and enter it into your phone. Then you can use the GPT share feature, or you can go to the first pinned link. First, I will delete my GPT chat and show you how to add it. I will delete it now. Delete, then delete. Now it has been successfully deleted. You will go to the link in the first pinned comment. Then click here to open. Then you will receive this message. Press Send to connect the GPT chat. As you can see, you are now ready to begin. Now, exit and you will find it has been added. You can ask it anything. For example, I will ask it who the founder of WhatsApp is, and it will answer you quickly in just a few seconds, as you can see. It answered me in a few seconds. You will find the direct link in the first comment, or you can enter the GPT chat number directly into your WhatsApp.